My name is Kishu. Welcome to my Kishutv YouTube channel. Today we do story number 7. Title of the story is The Elephant and the King of Mice. Let's start. A group of mice marched to the Elephant King and said, "We would like to tell you that we have a king of our own. We don't need you as our king." The king elephant said to the mice, "That's not possible. I have already been made the king of this jungle, and you have to obey my orders. Otherwise, you will have to leave this jungle." The mice made a plan. They said to the elephant, "Whoever will prove to be stronger will be the king of this jungle." So, they all agreed. The next day, all the elephants came. The king mice said, "If you can dig small holes as we did, then you win," the elephant said. "And if you can lift this big log, then you win." Indeed, the elephants won as the mice were not as strong as the elephants. Moral: never think yourself to be better than others. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए बाय।